Okay, so finally left the techno paradise that is Montañita. Although to be honest, I didn't actually go to any techno because I can't stand that shit. Anyway, now I'm in Olon, and this town is so cool. Unfortunately, this is sort of the gloomy season. It's like June gloom we have in Southern California. Except for, unlike June gloom in California, the sun never comes out for like 6 months, which is unfortunate, but it's incredibly temperate weather. The temperature is good, it's comfortable, everything's just down all the time. But exploring Olon, it's a Monday morning, so it's pretty quiet. Olon is a lot more quiet than Montañita anyway. Two things Ecuador has plenty of on the streets is street art. It's amazing. Well, I'm out here in front of the Cultural and Environmental Center in Olon. They have all kinds of different classes like salsa, jiu-jitsu, things like that, and street dogs. So whenever you're walking in Ecuador on the streets, make sure to look down frequently because the dogs go where they want to go. Anyway, do a little bit more exploring here in Olon. What a cool little town. I really dig it here. Okay. Today we're in Puerto Lopez. Puerto Lopez, if it's like my family's name. Here a little bit up on the coast from Olon and Montañita. It's a Monday afternoon in the cloud season, so it's pretty quiet, which is nice. This area is super popular for fishing. It's a little bit more warm than where we've been because it's in the bay. And so you can see there's really no break on the water. Very chill. There is a Palo Santo store here. Palo Santo is its actual name in English translates literally to sacred stick. So it has a number of properties to it that are beneficial for the health. There's a store here that's attached to a factory nearby that manufactures and produces and distributes Palo Santo products. We're gonna go check it out. Okay, we're here at the Palo Santo store here in Puerto Lopez. Palo Santo is a product that is endemic or sort of native to Ecuador. It's a very special and sacred plant here. It's typically found only in the coastal and tropical areas in Central and South America. It's supposed to have many healing properties. I can tell you for sure it smells fantastic. A lot of the places around here put Palo Santo on their fires to keep the mosquitoes away, and it is fairly effective. And this store here is one of the local products of Ecuador, and they have essential oil, they have incense and things to put on the fire. They have conditioner, which I just bought because my hair is looking Samoan as fuck right now. It's a little bit crazy. And then all kinds of massage oils, essential oils, pretty much everything having to do with Palo Santo. The manufacturer is close to here. The factory that produces all of the products that come into this store, which is a specialty of Ecuador, is nearby. So we're gonna go check it out. Okay, we found the factory is a little bit off the beaten track. I'll put a link to it in the notes for the video because it's definitely like a little bit off-road. However, if you come here to the factory, in Spanish the word for factory or manufacturer is fábrica. You come here and the prices here are way better than they were at the store down on the Malecón, which is the Spanish word for like boardwalk or esplanade or whatever. Anyway, here you can come and you can get the things that are actually made here on site, which is fantastic, and they do a fantastic job of employing local workers at a rate that's almost twice the minimum wage of Ecuador. So these are really important things, and the prices here are way better. I just paid $8 for conditioner. Here it's like $3. So let's go inside and check it out. Okay, I wish I had smell-o-vision again here for you guys because everything in here is made of Palo Santo and it smells delicious. They have the incense cones here. These are the sticks and sort of twigs that you put onto the fire for the anti-mosquito repellent. And they have a number of Palo Santo based products. We saw deodorant, there's shampoo, everything. So if you're gonna buy products from Palo Santo, this is definitely the place to go. They also have tobacco, rolling. They even have the raw, man. They're not even fucking around in here. They have the essential oils, coffee. What? They have Vilcabamba coffee here. So we're going to Vilcabamba. That's where they make some amazing coffee. We'll show you that later. But Palo Santo, this is the place to do it on the coast. But they have in the store here a number of products that are endemic or pretty much only found or local to Ecuador. This is where they do it best. I wish you could smell what I'm smelling. And you also get to see like how the Palo Santo is being produced and worked on here by the local workers. You get to talk to the people. This is the way I love to travel. You know, you like not buying things at like the tourist stops like out in the front of everywhere, but actually getting into the meat of the country, meeting people. And when you're gonna buy things, it's not just about getting the better prices, but it's about like actually getting to experience more of the culture and the people and what actually goes into producing the products that we consume every day. Guess what I haven't seen in like over a week? My shadow. Holy crap, it's finally a little bit sun out here. It's finally a little bit sun out here. Oh my god, I almost forgot what it looks like. I feel like a vampire, like gonna get fried or possibly self-combust or something. So, since sun's out, let's take a walk on the beach. Okay, well I have walked as south as I can from Olon back to, this is Montañita Point, the point on the north end of Montañita, where we were staying just the other day on the other side of. You can't really walk around. You can. The undertow here can be really strong, so can the current. There can be riptides, so, you know, it's maybe not a good idea to try and walk around onto the point from this side, because as you can see, the cliff goes over there straight down to the water. On the other side, from the Montañita side, it's a little bit easier, I think. At any rate, I have this beach to myself, pretty much. This is nice. Oh my gosh. And then over there, little bit cloud forest. Of course, everywhere is cloud forest right now. It's been cloud forest for like a week. Oh my god, what a delightful afternoon walking out here. The water is definitely warmer than in California. It is incredibly pleasant, but there's a lot of rocks, so whenever the water comes up, I just stop so I don't step on a rock or a rock doesn't run over me. I'm gonna turn on Gaia and see how far I've come. And obviously there's no gain. It's flat as shit. It's the coast. Beautiful, beautiful day here in Olon in the Santa Elena province of Ecuador. Okay, well the sun didn't last very long, but while it did, it seems like virtually everybody in town came running out to the water. Then it got cold again. Everybody went running back. The walk from here to the point down at on the other side of Montañita, it ended up being about 2.1 miles. Obviously no gain because it's flat as hell. And a really, really nice walk. It's just beautiful, especially once you get down past all of these cabañas and there's surf schools and whatnot. Then the beach really empties out pretty quickly. So here in Olon, even though this town is a lot quieter than Montañita, is much less of a party town. There's still plenty of places to get your beach drinking on. I'm not doing that yet, it's still pretty early. But you can also get a fresh mixed juice. So this is a watermelon and mango juice, $2. It took the guy like 10 minutes to make it. It's all fresh. You can ask for sugar or no sugar. You can ask for ice or no ice. I do it just straight juice. It's not cold, but it's fresh and delicious. And an incredible bargain, you know. So you pay probably $5-6 for something like this in the States, and here I can have 2.5. Okay, people, I have had a lot of Indian food in my life from all different areas of India. And I have to say, crazily enough, some of the best Indian food I've ever had in my life is found in this little sleepy town of Olon in Santa Elena Province of Ecuador. It's like not even, it's just on the Malacon, which is the word for boardwalk or promenade seafront here. The beach is right there. It's right at the end near the public bathrooms. Oh my goodness. The food here is amazing. They're super friendly. They speak English. They speak Spanish. They're open every day but Wednesday from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Manny, the proprietor here, is so nice and accommodating. We have actually eaten here, I think, 3 times in the last 3 days. We're eating here again because tomorrow is their closed day and we wanted to get in one last meal here before we left. So if you come to Olon and you enjoy Indians, obviously South Indian food, then please do yourself a favor and make a stop here. The portions are reasonable. I mean, I usually get stuffed and it's really, you know, as Indian food goes, inexpensive. So come and check it out. Oh, hey, it's cows. It wouldn't be a trip for me without a bunch of cows in it somewhere. Really?
Del norte. Yo me fui a trabajar, mi vida la dejé en presión de libertad. Soy una raya menor, fantasma de la ciudad. Mi vida va prohibida, dice la autoridad. Agárrense, clandestino, ecuatoriano, clandestino, africano, clandestino, marihuana ilegal.
Welcome to Cuenca, one of the most important and historic cities in Ecuador. Oh my God, this town, I love it. I love it. Surrounded by beautiful mountains in every direction, and the Parque Nacional Cajas is really close to here. I haven't been there. I hope to go this trip. I am definitely going this trip. But oh my God, at sunset, this place is just amazing. There are many guidebooks about Cuenca and all the super popular things you can do here in town. If you're interested in those, go read those books. I'm gonna try and show you some of the things in Cuenca that are a little bit more unique. Kind of like this coffee shop, Cafe Lohana. Here is a little bit off the beaten track. I'll put information on how to find it in the video notes. This place is entirely unique because you can come in and you can order your own coffee, and when you do, they'll actually grind it here for you and bring it to your table. It's a tiny place owned by the dueño, which is the owner of a place, is Pedro. They've been here for approximately 6 years. He makes his own coffee blend here, as we actually asked if it's available in Loja, which is a town we'll be passing through later, and it's not. He makes his own blend from beans that come from here in Cuenca, also in Catamayo and Malacatos, which is down close to Vilcabamba, where we'll be going soon. So I just wanted to show you this place. This is one of the best cups of coffee I have ever had. We bought a pound to take away. I might come back at that some other time and take a pound back to the United States with me. Come and check it out. So we're staying at El Cafecito Hostal, which is a hostel in the area of the October 9th Mercado. It's like a vegetable, it's like basically like a year-round farmers market. So the best thing about this place is the terraza, which is on the rooftop. They have a bar here, and it's mostly not open, but also a kitchen because it's a hostel, so you can come up and make your own things. Make coffee this morning, but not entirely central to all of the nightlife action that's done on Calle Larga, which is approximately, I don't know, 6-8 blocks from here in that direction towards the Rio Tomebamba, which splits the city of Cuenca into the historic area, which is where we are, and the newer neighborhoods in the city. Just wanted to give you a little view.